All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. Geyser. Geyser. Yes, like the water just flowing up here. There's hot water. A stream of hot water. Stream. Hot water. Whew. That bursts up from the ground suddenly. Suddenly. Let's try and get a picture. Okay, not quite. Water. No, not likely. No, okay, yeah. All right. Very good. So, I saw the geyser, or the geyser. This geyser is very old. This, well, it is a small geyser. Yeah. He knows how geysers are made. She saw some geysers at the national park. Yeah. How cool is that? Very good. He, she, I. So I have never touched a geyser. Nor have I seen one. I haven't touched nor seen a geyser. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. They can go and look at geysers at the national park. We can see them there. We can see them there. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? He, she, they, I, it. Yeah, it is an old one. So it is a rule you have to follow when you're close to the geyser. Yeah, stand back. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So we are inspecting all these geysers. So we need to look at a few things about the geysers. Yeah, they are very fragile in their own way. Very fragile. Be careful with them. Careful with them, yeah. Yeah. Did you see the geyser? When you went there, did you see the geyser too? I think so. Was it the big burst of water? Burst of water. Big and burst and sudden. Yeah. We're watching the geysers now. We're watching them. Yeah. They are really big. Well, the geysers look bigger than they actually are. The geysers look bigger than they actually are. Much bigger. Yeah. The geysers are bigger in person. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, when will geysers form on this planet? Okay, so how are geysers made? I think it is a reservoir of water that is very close to a volcano magma pit. I'm not too sure, but something is heating the water. Well, something is heating the water so it expands and bursts. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Geysers. So, can you use geyser in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. And you can also find me on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.